Welcome to Blender in 2 Minute series. In this series, we will learn Blender step by step, one topic at a time. In part 1, let's learn the most important thing before we start modeling, navigating around the Blender viewport. First, let's learn how to orbit around the scene. Press and hold middle mouse button, then move your mouse. This lets you rotate your view around the scene and look at your model from different angles. To move entire view without rotating it, hold shift and middle mouse button, then move your mouse. This is called as panning. Zoom in and out, scroll the mouse wheel like this. You can also hold control and middle mouse button and move the mouse for smooth zooming like this. I just holding two buttons. One is control button and middle mouse button and moving my mouse. I get a smooth zooming by doing this. Blender also has some shortcuts on numpad. If you have numpad enable keyboard, you can use this. Press numpad 1 for front view, numpad 3 for right view, numpad 7 for top view, and numpad 5 to switch between perspective and orthographic views. If you don't have a numpad or if you don't want to use keyboard, you can do the navigation through mouse only. Use this navigation gizmo in the top right corner of the viewport to quickly change your views like this. You can hover around this. Okay, click and drag your mouse. You can change the perspective view of your object. You can use this magnifier icon to zoom in and out. Just click the left button of the mouse and move the mouse. You can zoom in and out. You can use this hand icon to pan around the scene. And that's the basic navigation you need to get started with Blender. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.